taking the Hakone Ropeway. We are now departing from Sounzan Station toward Owakudani Station, which is at an elevation of 1,044 meters. The journey will be approximately 8 minutes. Starting from the rear of the gondola, facing the outer rim of the Hakone caldera, let us guide you on a wonderful tour of Hakone from the sky.山肌には毎年夏に行われる大文字焼きの大の字をご覧いただけます。そして運が良ければ横浜ベイブリッジや東京スカイツリーを発見できるかもしれません。この先深さ130メートルの谷を渡るスリルをご堪能いただけます。右前方には富士山、左側の山肌からは熱い水蒸気が噴出し、山肌を白く包む煙の様子がご覧いただけます。こちらがおすすめのビュースポットでございます。
When the weather is nice, you will see Myojokata Cave from the rear of the gondola. The Chinese character for Dai or large is burnt onto the face of the mountain. On especially clear days, you may be able to find the Yokohama Bay Bridge and Tokyo Skytree in the distance. In the meantime, experience the thrill of soaring over a valley 130 meters below. Facing forward and to the right, you can see Mount Fuji. And on the left, you can see hot steam rising from the ground, the smoke enveloping the mountainside in white. We highly recommend this viewpoint.
く大涌谷駅に到着いたします。宇箱桃源台方面、また早雲山駅へお戻りのお客様もお乗り換えです。大涌谷駅2階のレストランではおすすめの大涌谷カツカレーをお召し上がりいただけます。また1階お土産ショップではロープウェイグッズなども販売しております。スタッフ一同お待ちしておりますので、ぜひお立ち寄りください。ゴンドラが完全に止まってからお忘れ物のないように足元に注意してお降りください。
We will soon arrive at Owakudani Station. Transfer here for Ubako and Togendai stations. Passengers wishing to return to Sounzan Station must also exit the gondola. You can visit the Owakudani Station restaurant on the second floor for our recommended Owakudani katsu curry. On the first floor, you will find various Hakone Rope merchandise at our souvenir shop. We invite you to have a look. When the gondola comes to a complete stop, make sure you have all of your belongings with you, and please watch your step as you exit.